Hi, I'm Marco Martinez, and I'm enjoying a glass of pure water after a long, hard day's work. I was out there doing some yard work. But I want to thank you for purchasing this special motorhome edition of this product made by Purpose Driven Water. We, as proud distributors of this product, wanted to do a short little video to show you the items you should be receiving in the mail as you've already ordered our product, and also how to assemble it. And then most of all, we look forward to the day when you enjoy this pure water source. Again, thank you and enjoy this video. Okay, now that you've purchased your Beneguard Motorhome Edition to purify your water, I want to go over the things you should have received in your box. So I've set this up in somebody's kitchen. We appreciate them allowing us to use their place to display this product. Now, you're going to have this tube, plastic tube, this cylinder, which we call a processor, that's going to go into your main housing unit, which is right there. Now, these two processors don't go in at the same time. Most of the time you're going to be using this one right here. And when I say this one, I mean the Beneguard City Well Motor Coach Edition. This is for your house water. That's going to purify your water. It's got a 4-stage process that purifies your water, cleans it, eliminates all the bad things that are in the water, and it creates pure H2O. Now, there's going to be times that you're going to want to wash your motorhome or any vehicle, and you're going to exchange this tube for this one. You're going to put this one in the cylinder, and this one says spot-free rinse, as you can see. This is so that when you wash it, it dries by itself. It's just beautiful how there are no particles in the water, no drying. Instead, you end up with a beautiful vehicle. It's a wonderful time saver. Now, box number 2, you're going to have these items. You're going to have the operating instructions, plus you're going to have the warranty on the product. You're also going to have a tester that you're going to use. We'll teach you more regarding testing water later in another video. But this item should be in your package. It's called a TDS Easy Quality Water Tester. Plus, you should have these items here. You should have this female unit and this male unit with this item here that's going to attach to the main tube for both of these. Now, this female end is going to go right here on this side that says in. Okay, so we'll leave it there. I'll put it together for you in a little bit. And then this one, the other side with the male in, is going to go on this side that is out. And again, I'll attach that for you in just a second. Now, the other items you should have are these. This is a pressure release valve. The pressure release valve is going to go on the top of your unit right here, and I'll finish installing that shortly. And you're also going to have an actual pressure gauge, which is going to test your water pressure, and this is going to go on this side, so that should be in your kit. Okay, you should also have this little handy item. Now what this does is it's like a vice grip for you. It goes over your tube. You use 2 hands and you twist it either one way or the other. You see the notches that are there? They match up with the notches in here. And that'll come in handy when sealing your tube. The final item that you should have is this water hose. And this water hose is going to be used to go out to your coach. And we're going to attach it on this end. Okay? Well, let's put it all together for you so you can see how it looks. All right? Okay. Now that we went through all the items you should have in the box, let's assemble them real quickly. This is not difficult. It's very easy. First, we're going to start with this item that I told you. It's like a plastic vice grip. It opens up there. We put it on the top, and we make the grooves match the grooves of the unit. And we go ahead and give it a firm pull. It loosens it. Once loosened, we can remove the top. Put the top there. And then move this to the side. And let's go grab our water processor that's going to be used for the drinking water. And remember, the label will be right down here. And let's put it inside of our unit. And this bottom side, the part that has the nozzle type thing goes to the bottom. Let's drop it in there. Make sure it's nice and snug. Once nice and snug, you want to put the cap back on. And you're going to put the ring back on, the threaded ring, and you're going to use your tightener. Now, for the sake of illustration purposes, I'll just mildly tighten it for you. Okay? Now that that's done, you want to get your plastic release valve right here and put it in on the left side of the top. You're going to need that to release pressure. And then you're going to want to monitor your pressure with this pressure meter. And that goes on the right side. Make sure you're careful to ensure that it's secure. However, you don't want to ruin the threads either. And that's pretty tight. Now, we want to go ahead and put the fittings in. The female side, as I told you, it goes first into the inside. In being in. That's what I mean by the inside. So I'll put it there. Nice and firm. Ladies, if you're doing it by yourself, get yourself a man. It's got a strong little twist there. That's all you need. No major tools required. And then we take this side, the male side, and we put it on the other side, which says out on it. Okay, now we're going to take this hose, and this is the hose that's going to go to your motorhome. It's going to go to the out because it's going out to your motorhome. Now, you can use your own hose if you want to. We provide you this short hose because basically it's the connection between the source, which would be the city water on that side, and the hose that goes to it. And this leads to your motorhome right here. So we have that. And for all intents and purposes, your unit is now complete. Now remember, on this side, you're going to put the water hose that's coming from the city. But that's all you need to do to put it together. It's very simple. And we're going to now do a video, another video, to show you water flowing through the system and then seeing what comes out. Okay? But for now, that should help you. Thanks.